What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We're on our way to the booth.
Cajun kick.
We're in Rain, Louisiana, baby. Rain, Louisiana is the frog leg capital of the world. Crash. Still kicking the Cajun flavor. That's right, we doing frog legs today.
2 ways.
Deep fry some, you know our fry game is.
No baseability.
Bacon wrap a little bit and hit it with a little sweet and spicy glaze.
Bacon, baby.
Cajun kick. Gotta kick it all the way up. We're on our way to New Orleans. Travel around Louisiana a little bit. You know the boot. Make sure the cuisine is up to par. Welcome to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. Episode 76. Let's go, baby.
Get back cooking.
Gotcha.
Just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Jam back the shit and I just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up. Just let me cook, I'm whipping it up.
Get back cooking.
Nope. Jam Pack Cooking. What's up, gang? Listen, welcome back, man. Of course, we got the gang unit tour coming up. Make sure you down in the comment. Let me know where you want to see Chef Ray pull up in the gang unit bus. We building the bus. Y'all gonna watch us build it from that to this.
All the way up.
We can't go to Rain, Louisiana and not do frog legs. We got us about 4 or 5 pounds of frog legs from down there, and we're gonna put the JPC gang twist on them, if you will. You know, the
Delicification.
All right, fun fact. I've never had frog legs before. That's just the truth. I gotta be honest with you. How they gonna taste? I don't know. Can I eat them now? We gotta cook them first, don't we? Doing them 2 ways. Bacon wrap some, tenderification, make them real tender, and you know,
Juicy.
we're gonna deep fry some. Crispification on it. Start with a marinade. Tablespoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of salt. You don't wanna go too much at the beginning. They are frog legs, man, and being that I never tasted the frog legs, I'ma just treat them like chicken. I figure that work, you know, who don't like chicken? We'll wait. But anyway, salt, pepper, a little garlic. Hit them with a little bit of that slap your mama seasoning on. Onion powder down. The flavorification, baby. We're gonna have these legs jumping. You ready?
What?
What about it?
Your ass is mine.
Spanish style paprika down. We're gonna have these legs jumping off the table in your mouth. Y'all let me know down in the comment. Is it poultry or is it fish? We got a little Danos going down for the herbaceousness, baby. Got the herbs and the spices, the thyme, the rosemary, all the good stuff in there. Then you gotta get your hands in here and give them a nice massage, get all that seasoning, spread it out nicely. Get these off to the side, put them in the bowl, let them marinate about 2 or 3 hours. Longer it sit, the better it get. That's with any type of
Protein.
flavorification all the way down to the bone. Frog legs have been marinated. Flavorification to the max.
No baseability.
Bacon wrap frog legs. I already started wrapping some of these legs, but I'll show you how to do it for the people in the back. Bacon make it better just like butter. Wrap one around the middle. We basically wrapping the thighs, the upper meat. I'm not too much worried about the bottom because there's not a lot of meat down there and I don't think it's gonna crisp up right. We got 1 thigh wrap with bacon. We got the middle part wrap, and then we're gonna wrap this side right here, right around there. So when the bacon cooked low and slow, it's gonna tighten up. And all the oils and the fats and the juices should seep into that meat and keep it nice and flavorful. Bacon wrapped frog legs. Right over the top, we're gonna come with a little bit more Cajun seasoning, just enough to, you know, give it the color. And when that bacon cooked down, all these flavors gonna marry together. Going in a 300-degree oven, 45 minutes to an hour. We just want that bacon to cook down and get crispy a little bit.
Tender.
Let's make 1 pot, quick and easy, Cajun pasta. It's not gonna take all day. It's something we can pair with the frog leg. Come on. Let's slice some bacon. Get it nice and crispy. Get the crispification. We got sliced bacon. Let's get it in the pot. Hot cast iron skillet. Bacon start to render and release its fats and its juices. Slight crispification on it. Not too much, just slight, baby. We rendered this bacon down. Started it out with no oils in the pot. Take a look at this. That's just from all the bacon being rendered down. We don't wanna use all that in our dish, so we're gonna pull some of that out. Pull that bacon out, set it to the side. Got most of that oil out the pan. Time to get our veggies down. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion, half a teaspoon of this bacon fat back in there so my veggies can cook down and become translucent. Salt. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt in there just to help the veggies cook down. Going in one of my favorite herbs, a little dried thyme. We got a tablespoon of that tomato paste going in. Let it cook down with those peppers and onions. Never raw dog your tomato paste. I always cook that raw flavor out of that tomato paste. Feel y'all type down there in the comment section.
I know.
You don't want to put the acidic tomato paste on your cast iron skillet.
You don't put it on yours. Don't put it on your. This is a 1-pot, quick and easy Cajun pasta.
I had no choice.
Chopped garlic going in. Diced tomatoes and chilies. Teaspoon of worship sauce. Cayenne pepper. Do that to taste. We like it kicked up, so we're going in with about a teaspoon. Teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Give it a mix. Couple tablespoons of that pasta water that we got. Starch is in the water that's gonna help solidify and build a sauce. It's already starting to thicken up. Pasta is done. So we cooked it, you know, al dente, not too soft, straight down into the sauce. Don't worry if you're getting a little bit more of the pasta water down in there, it'll be okay, you can cook it out. Cut the fire down to about a medium heat and let everything marry. You want everything to come together, all the seasonings and the tomatoes, the sauce gonna penetrate the noodles. Quick and easy. Pinch of sugar to keep everything balanced, just a pinch. Going back in with that bacon. Right at the end, we're gonna go in with about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Kick up the creamification. Butter make it better, baby. Pull that pasta to the side, drop that butter down. Put enough butter in the pasta, y'all. Secret weapon, juicy seafood. They ain't sponsoring me, but it is good. Finish it off with some Parmesan cheese, and just like that, we got 1 pot, quick and easy Cajun pasta. Let's make our glaze. Teaspoon of EVOO, chopped onions, pinch of salt. Bacon fat, teaspoon of chopped garlic. Worship sauce, Worcestershire sauce. 1 cup of Cairo syrup. Kick it up a notch. Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper. It's optional. This is a sweet and spicy glaze for our bacon wrapped frog legs. Spanish paprika, about a tablespoon. Gonna help us out with that color. To complement that smoky hickory smoked bacon with this sweet and spicy glaze, 1/2 teaspoon of the liquid smoke. Dip, dip, that's it. That's all you need. Time to whisk our sauce. So we need Mr. Whiskey. Hee ha ha, we still got our half whisk. The address is down there if you want to send me one. Mr. Whiskey cannot be replaced. Follow him on Instagram, Mr.Whiskey1, DA1.
On Instagram.
I don't know if y'all know it, but Mr. Whiskey been with us since day one. Hence, you know,
The one.
give it a mix, man. Let this sauce reduce just a little bit. You don't want to cook it on a high heat. You're just gonna make a candy. It's gonna reduce it. It's gonna caramelize way too much. Very low heat. Let it reduce about 1/4. Gonna get it on these frog legs.
No baseability.
Check these frog legs out. The bacon wrapped frog legs. We got that bacon cooking real low and slow, rendering down all that fat. We don't want our frog legs submerged in that bacon fat. Look at the drip drip. They still juice. About 3/4 of the way there. This is where we differ at. Spicy, sweet, the spicification. Pour that glaze right down over them frog legs. Everybody get their fair share. Get these back in the oven. They going under the broiler. Watch them. The sugars in the glaze, it will burn very quick. 2 or 3 minutes, if that. Let's go. Gang, let's fry some frog legs. It ain't the basic way. We got these things marinated. I know it don't look like much now, but that seasoning is soaking in. This is my first time trying. Put it down in the comment right now. How they taste, what they taste like.
Do it taste like chicken or do it taste like fish?
Either way, we finna find out today. So we got some AP flour here and cornstarch. All-purpose flour, cornstarch for the crispification. Season this flour up. A little bit of salt, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic, and some black pepper. Spanish style paprika to give it a whisk. Mr. Whiskey going in on Instagram, Mr. Whiskey the one. I'm not getting rid of my half whisk. Been with me since day one. It's like family. You gonna throw your family away? Don't answer that. Keep it to yourself. Man, Mr. Whiskey got seasoned flour. Gang, listen, we got 30,000 people right here on YouTube and growing. We're on the road to 100K. On TikTok, look at it. Look at this number. Look at this number. Y'all ought to be ashamed of yourself. Get on over there to TikTok, man. We gotta show them what the gang is really like. Tell a friend to tell a friend. 1K giveaway at 10K. We get 10,000 subs. We giving away $1,000. Only to a gang. Make sure you liking, commenting,
Subscribe.
good or bad. We love the haters. Shout out to the haters. Make sure you go over there right now. Do it right now.
Subscribe.
All us on TikTok, all right? Put that bag in your pocket. Free. I ain't saying you ain't got it. This is a free one. We on TikTok.
Subscribe.
Couple eggs going down into the bowl. Give it a whisk. Season flour first. Put them into the egg wash. Let's shake off the excess. Back into the seasoned flour. We got frog legs, baby.
The Acadiana region, where Rain, Louisiana is located, provides a surplus inventory of frog legs due to its swamps and bayous stocking plenty of bullfrogs. Today, frog meat is still a $40 million industry.
We got all of our legs battered up. Canola oil here at 350. We're gonna fry the legs up until they float, baby. GBD, golden brown and delicious. Just like I would a piece of chicken. Like I told y'all, this will be my first time trying them, but I know these are gonna be delicious because we did them the JPC gang way. Don't be afraid to try new things. Expand your palate.
Grow.
Got the gang unit tour coming up starting this winter. Make sure you leave your comments down there letting us know where you want to see us at. Starting off in Louisiana.
Frog legs are considered a French delicacy, and the cuisine was brought to Louisiana by way of French immigrants. Frog legs are usually deep fried or sauteed with Cajun or Creole seasoning.
We got bacon wrap, slight crispification, juicification on the inside. That mean they moist and juicy on the inside. They already want to fall apart. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. We got them fried up, GBD, golden brown and delicious. We got the big crispification on the outside. I know they juicy on the inside. Time to try something new. If you new here, we appreciate you for coming. It's time for you to subscribe to Jam Pack Cooking. You just tapped in. Welcome to the family.
We appreciate it.
Make sure you hit the like button for the new frog legs we're about to try. Bust one of these open for you. Look at that. Oh my God, they juicy. It's kind of giving me a little fish vibe. We got our one pot, quick and easy Cajun pasta. Got frog leg, 2 ways. Let's build us a plate. Cajun pasta, get it down on a plate. For all my big bags watching the show, here you go. That's one more. Big fine right here. Bacon wrapped on that side. Got that butter fried. There's one more. Take the rest of that glaze, drizzle it right over them bacon wrapped frog legs. Who give me your frog leg? 2 ways. Straight out of Rain, Louisiana. Frog leg capital of the world, baby. I ain't never tried them. Am I nervous as hell about it? Not really. I know they're gonna be good. We did them the JPC gang with. Get in there. Which one should we start with, gang? Let's see if this gonna pull apart easy. They pull apart easy. You got the joint in there. Look at the crosshair. Y'all, what y'all think? Yeah, it's frog legs. No other way to put it. They do, it looks plump. I heard they taste like chicken. It's time to find out. Come here, come here. I think I'm gonna go batter fry. Wait a minute, I think I'm gonna go batter fry. I think I'm gonna go batter fry, gang. All right, can I break this one open? He break too, he got a little bit more pull, but look. Man, I'm hyping myself up for nothing. Come here, come here, come here. See what all the hype is about. First of all, it's seasoned, chef's kiss. Texture, chicken. I don't get any fish in this. I don't get anything. I just get poultry. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. Am I gonna go looking for frog legs? Probably not. Should you try this recipe if you're not a fan of frog legs already? Yes. This is just one way though. We did them 2. Come here. Come here. Look like I got a favorite. If you trying frog legs for the first time, bacon wrap them up. Make that sweet and spicy glaze. This one is 10 out of 10. I gotta recommend. The way we cooked it low and slow, it actually gave the meat a different texture, way more tender. This one is good, don't get me wrong, it's fried food. But the bacon wrap, this is the way to go. Bacon wrap frog legs, JPC gang way. We still gotta try that pasta. A little bit of that bacon. Come here. That's different. The chew in the pasta is cooked just right.
Al dente.
You got the right amount of bite. It's not too soft. It's not too soggy. And the pasta water took the actual sauce. It grabs that fettuccine noodle like a.
It's that way.
The bacon flavor is coming through. We didn't get the bacon super crispy, but it's super tender. The acidity level is just right to complement the cream. Is this one the gang should try at home because we getting ready to go on this gang unit tour and bring it to your front door? Yes. Go down there and get the recipe. Try these frog legs out. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Gang, I appreciate you for watching. I love you for watching. Thank you for all the comments and the love and the welcome back. We glad to be back. Still got the video explaining on what happened. You got that to look forward to. Make sure you go subscribe to our TikTok, Jam Pack Cooking. We're trying to run those numbers up. The way we're gonna show our appreciation, 1K for 10K. I think it's a fair deal. Frog legs, gang. Something new, something different. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you can know the next time we jamming and cooking. Boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Until next time, peace and love.